So, officially, we're in Amsterdam. Say hi, Rika. Hi. Ang aking kadugo na si Ellie. Dugo na kami. Alright, everybody say hi. Jo, okay. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Ohio.
Alright, and the babies, of course. Welcome. Video.
Wow, hello sister.
Morning.
Yeah. Hij kan meteen op school blijven. Ja, seriously. Welcome everybody. My English is not so well.
You can see the more bicycles.
Yeah, bicycle.
Typical Dutch landscape, flat.
That's right.
Fruitful lang kung maghapon na ito ay ganyan po ang bawat isa. Bigyan niyo kami, Lord, ng ngiti na sa bawat makakasalamuhan namin dito, Panginoon, sa lugar na tinitalahan niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat muli yung blessing ng pagkasa. Po, it's a prayer. Amen. Go.
Views, hindi nga po pwede sa cola. Views, so strong. Video lang.
Ba?
Ata yung isa recording sa Facebook.
Strawberry ba yan?
Parang ganito. Josh, kain ka Josh. Malapit si Mona Petty. Ano to?
Same like coffee. Yes. Same like coffee.
Yeah, what's up?
No problem. As far as you feel yourself at home.
Yeah, I got a shower.
So you can do that as well as you do. You have a bath as well. A small thing for her to bring to the thing to be.
Also, he's always busy if you don't buy grocery for him.
So we are trying herring here in
Herring kapag may kasalanan ka, herring.
How do you find it, ate?
It's a local
Rate 1 to 10.
sashimi something.
Type.
This is my first time.
Do you have similar food in the Philippines?
Mm-hmm. Vinegar.
Tuna. Alright.
It's like a sashimi, yeah.
Okay.
It's salty.
You been to the Philippines? No, never.
So the, what do you call this?
I have a friend which is from
Pico.
Philippines.
The pickled and the onions balance the taste.
Very good. Must be beautiful. So one day.
for today's video. We are going there. The windmills and this Josh. Punta kami ng windmills for today. So, dito na rin kami hahalik sa lupa. Diba? Zaz. Hi.
Hi. Salik sila sa magandang
Ganda naman ng
sa mga mukhang lupa.
Close at 6 o'clock, so we have 2 hours. Tapos, sa mga bago, pag dumating tayo dun sa windmill, hanap tayo ng magandang spot para may halik sa lupa na kayo. Okay? Okay, let's go.
Hi. Sige na sana ma-zoom in. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. Walk, walk in the line. Alam mo, dapat doon tayo eh.
Everybody see that.
Ako yun ate. Yung ginawa mo kay Enzo. Enzo! Oh! Hello! Hello! Ganda na po. Bibidyoan kita. Bakit naman ganon, madam? O, mag-hello kayo sa vlog. Mag-hello sa vlog. Hi, guys. Hello!
Hi, baby.
Hi, Enzo! Kayo na yung huli? Oh, wala na palang huli? Okay. Hot ka lagi, kala mo.
And then there, of course, the rest of the people have been really supportive. Ako po ay naatasan to somehow help yung system namin per country. Pagkatapos, check-checkan ni inventory. Yun po yung natin. Yun po yung gagawin natin in the next legs. Also, I'd like to thank also everyone for bringing the addition.
Been this privilege to become one of the singers here. And of course, to minister to people outside ng, syempre, ng Asian people kasi nag-nation natin tayo and the Philippines. Yung take same din po yun na thankful din po ako for the provision ni Lord na yung resources, especially financial resources. And kasi medyo
Devotion is done. Ang tagal nila magsibalikan, ha? Huh? Ayaw maghiwa-hiwalay. Yun, it's currently, what time is it? It's 8 p.m. Yes, 8:12 p.m. And this is the sky. It's so bright. Okay, bye-bye. And we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Malalaman mo talagang Pinoy ang isang tao na nasa ibang bansa kapag
Saan kami?
Say hi, everybody! Pastor Gerard is here and Brother Edward as well. They brought us a feast. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everybody's already eating their dinner. It's what do you call it? It's a roti. Nika.
Galing yan, galing.
Why?
Nagpipicture na yung
Sarap. Ang sarap.
Napakasungit naman yan.
Yes, only the sige. Why do you have the top card?
Okay.
And then if you have another turn to play, you can also do it.
Let's do. 3.
But it's fun, yeah.
Can you continue? Okay, I'm gonna pass you one.
You count this as
Okay. Those 3? 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And the other way around.
the other way around.
1.
Hi guys! Mainit po sa labas pero sobrang lamig.
Mainit sa labas, sobrang lamig.
Mainit yung may araw.
May araw pero napakalamig po sa labas. So this is our last day here sa Amsterdam at bukas magbiyahe na kami papuntang
Germany!
Germany! Mas malamig daw dun guys. So ngayon, meron po kami nagaganap na banquet.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay. Ayun, pangit ka na. Bayan.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Hi guys!
Starts now.
Kami ngayon ay naglalaro. Nagpapalaro si Master Joshua. Hello.
1 minute 30 seconds. Starts now. Hold on.
Maranatha Ministry! Maranatha Ministry Church!
In. Sit. Stand. Out. In. Out. Stand. Jump. Shake.
Walang kadaya-daya!
Okay. And the winner is Team John.
Yes. Just one here. Where is blue? It's working. What's yellow and blue? As you see, I take 3. I was 3 here. I take here 2 here.
Adeline, ikaw. Isalang ka pa ba to?
Salang ito kasi
So you have enjoyed our company. Okay.
I will stay.